Hello out there. I just downloaded the latest mobile app update for Tesla. Thought I would post a quick video on something I found inadvertently. The release date on the app is 2019 November 22. However, I just received it this afternoon on December 3rd. Of course, the release notes don't reveal much, just a quote that is minor fixes and improvements. So here's what I did notice. On the charging screen, when you grab a hold of the slider and move it, you'll see a percentage indicator detailing the actual percentage the vehicle will be charged to. You'll also notice, and you may be able to hear this, there is haptic feedback at the 90 and 100% markers. Additionally, you might notice at those markers, it is actually displaying 87 and 97% respectively. I haven't figured out why this is happening. Perhaps it's my 100,000 kilometer plus battery pack or the weather outside. It's a chilly minus 4 degrees Celsius at the moment. That's it. Share, like, and all that jazz.